morning, guys. So I got my coffee, as you saw, and it's peppermint mocha, so I'm super excited about that. I had a couple eBay sales, Christmas eBay sales today, and someone ordered a shirt, I'll show you, and a couple Christmas mugs, Disney mugs. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those packaged up and get those eBay sales sent out, and I'll show you how I do it. But first I'm gonna have a sip of coffee because I need the energy. So I have to do that, and yeah, and get those sent out because I really want them to get them before Christmas. So let me get those wrapped up, and I'll show you kind of how I package those up for sale. So let's go. First I need some energy. Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, whose turn? Is it my turn or your turn?
Yeah.
Mine. Okay, let's
Yeah,
see.
yours.
Can I find it? No.
Okay, my turn. What's that man?
Dustin's turn.
Here's a tartar.
Did you find it? No. Ketchup and tartar sauce. Okay. Evan's turn. Let's go, Evan. Let's get a match. No. Okay, my turn.
I always lose. I'm not really good at this game.
No.
My turn.
Dustin's turn.
Dustin.
Come on, Dustin. No match. Evan's turn.
Do this, Evan. Do this, Evan. Do this.
Okay, shh. Okay, my turn. Mommy's turn. Let's see. No. Duskin's turn. Let's see. Come on, Duskin. Bring home another match. No. Gee, it's getting hard. Look, Duskin's got 3 matches. Mommy has 3 matches. They're all mixed up. Evan's gonna get some, and he's gonna find one soon. It's Evan's turn. He's gonna get a match. No.
Whose turn is it?
Okay, it's Mommy's turn now.
Come on, Mommy.
Oh, Mommy's got 4 matches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Okay, let's go. My turn. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. No.
My turn. Come on, Dustin.
Dustin, come on, Dustin. Let's go. No. Okay, Evan's turn. Come on, Evan. No. Mommy's turn. Here we go. What else? No. Oh, man.
This is getting typical, isn't it? Duskin's turn. Come on, Duskin, get a match. No, there he is. Evan, let's go.
Harder sauce.
Oh, you gotta turn him over so we can see, sweetie. No, my turn. There he was. Where was he at? He was over here. You guys mixed him up. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's go. What's wrong? It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game, baby. It's all right. We're having fun, aren't we, Duskin?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Can't play with these kids.
I'm having fun.
Oh well. Duskin wins the game. Look. Oh, Duskin wins. Evan, come. Come, Evan. Duskin, you win. Woo-hoo. Today, it's a cold day. I'm in my closet, in my beauty room. Just chilling, got my little comfy leopard Christmassy onesie on, and I'm just relaxing, y'all. This year's been crazy, and just like today, I just really just wanted to relax. I just wanted to wear something cute and be cozy and stay in the house, okay? So, it's Vlogmas, and I'm doing Vlogmas, and I wanted to show you what I got today in my little advent calendar. So let's go ahead and start with day 1. And like I said, these are from Five Below. They were like little sock sets. I was lucky to get my hands on them because they were selling out super fast, and I got one of the last few that were left, and I was super excited. So now I can share it with you. So let's look into this, because I know you're excited, because like I said, if you watch my videos on my YouTube channel at Beautyroom Fitness for all 12 days, then you could win one of these too. So let's go ahead and see what's inside day 1, shall we? Because I'm excited. I like surprises, so let's go. So let's look in. So this is day 1, so we're gonna pop it open, boop, and see what we got. So it looks like they're like gray ones. I'm gonna pull them out for you guys. No, they don't. Ooh, they don't come out. Okay, it doesn't look like they come out through this little hole here very well. Let me see if I can finagle it. I thought it would come out through this hole, but it's like making me work. No, I'm too cute to be doing all this work right now. I'm trying to chill, okay? Okay. Ooh, no. Yeah, who thought of that? I'm like, but it's like busting. I'm like busting it out of this thing. Somebody tried it. Okay, here we go. So here it is. So day 1, I busted it out like a G. Well, and it's just a pair of cute little socks. So like, let's open them up. Looks like they're gray and pink. Oh, these are cute. Okay, let's go. So they're gray with little snowflakes on them, and they got pink on the bottom, and they got pink on like the heel part. So these are pretty cute. I'm gonna put these on. These are dope. I like these. Yes, let's go. I love it. Put these on and chill today in my little onesie. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so these are for sizes. These are ladies socks. They say no-show socks too, and they're for shoe size 4 to 10, and there's a pack of 12 for shoe sizes size 4 to size 10, and it's a 12-day kit. So yeah, let's go. These are super cute. So like a one size fits all kind of thing, but yeah, look at these guys. Look, can I show you? Aren't those cute? Okay. Yes, boo. So super cute socks. Love those. Comfy cozy. Got those on day 1. Okay, I love them. Those are super cute and comfy. And so I'm just gonna wear these the rest of the day and chill. And then let's also go ahead and do the best of skincare. 12 days of advent calendar also. So we're gonna also do day 1 of that one too, since it's the first day of Christmas. Okay, on the first day of Christmas, you know. Target gave to me. No, sorry. On the first day of Christmas, Five Below gave to me. Yep. Pair of snowflake socks in my onesie. Let's go. Alright, so ooh, this one's pretty. So like when you open it up, it's super shiny. I'm trying not to blind you guys. It looks like that. Isn't that super pretty? Oh, that's really cute. Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to day 1, which is over here. I'm gonna bust it open like I did the other one. At least I'm gonna try. They're making me work. Oh, cute. See what's in there? What's in there, y'all? Tell me, because I can't really see it. I'm gonna dig in there and get it out. So this is what's in there. It's a hydrating rose and charcoal peel off mask. Ooh. Look, y'all. I don't know if you can see. Look, y'all. Cute. I don't know if you can read it. Hydrating peel off mask. So cute. It's like a little 10-ounce. Ah, it says skip the spa. That is so cute. I love how tiny it is. Super cute. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in and take this makeup off, and we're totally going to try this. Oh, it's a charcoal peel off mask. Ooh, I love those. Those are fun. So yeah, so let me try that out. I can't wait. Yeah, so that was cute and that was fun, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and hope you're enjoying December, and happy holidays to you guys. I'm gonna go try this out, and I'll see you in the future for tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.